Keegan drew up a bar graph based on the amount of time he spent on each of the activities in 1 week. After totaling up the number of hours that he had recorded in the graph for that week, he realized that he had recorded the time spent on one of the activities wrongly. The time recorded was 10% more than the actual time for that activity. Which activity did he record wrongly? B. What was the actual time taken for the activity that was recorded wrongly in A? So in questions like bar graph, the first thing we will do is to write down the figures on the bar graph. So looking at sleeping, you can see that this is actually 52, 54, 55, because it's actually in between 54 and 56. So this is 55. Studying is actually 42, 44. While playing is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Outdoors is actually 10, 12. While others is 40, 42. Again, it's in between 42 and 44, which means this is 43. So the first thing we'll do is to add up all the hours together. So total time would be 55 plus 44 plus 18 plus 12 plus 43. And I will get 172 hours. Now, the total time in a week is actually 24 hours a day times 7 days in a week. I will get 168 hours. So you will realize that there's an extra hour because the total time that Keegan recorded is 172, but the actual amount of time in a week is only 168. So the extra time is given by 172 minus 168, and I will get 4 hours. So according to question A, they're saying that the time recorded was 10% more than the actual time. So which means that the 4 hours is a 10% more. So I know that 10% is equals to 4 hours. So 1% is given by 4 divided by 10. And to find 100%, it will be 4 over 10 times 100, which means that it should be 40 hours. So that means the activity that was recorded wrongly would be an amount of 40 plus 4, which is 44. And if we look at the bar graph, we will know that studying is the only one that has got the time of 44 hours. Therefore, for A, studying is the activity which has been recorded wrongly. So they ask which activity did he recorded wrongly, and B is asking for what was the actual time taken. So the actual time taken would be 40 hours, which is the 100% as shown here.